Okay, I'm gonna need this, this, and this. Hi guys, welcome back to my video. And here I have 5 cans. And what I'm gonna do with this can is make an DIY aircraft. So let's do it. Alright guys, I kept one of the can because I'm gonna use it as the body of the aircraft. And the next step is draw the design of the wings and also the tails. You can just draw on the can.
coffee, I'm in trouble. Black coffee, I see trouble. Man, 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 I'm not gonna get home. Black coffee, I'm so dizzy. Black coffee, please get busy. Oh, 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 now make you get home. Black coffee, I'm in trouble. I'm so dizzy. Please get busy. Man, 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 I'm not gonna get home. Black coffee, I'm in trouble. I'm so dizzy. Please get busy. Oh, 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 now I'm not gonna get home. Black coffee, I'm in trouble. I'm so dizzy. Please get busy. Oh, 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 now I'm not gonna get home.
Well, it's looked pretty cool so far. And when I posted on my Snapgram on Instagram, my friend asked me, "Can it fly?" No, it can't fly actually. But if you want to make this thing is more useful, you can use it as a night lamp, just like this one. I built this aircraft 6 months ago for my school project, and I'm using ice cream spoons and also cardboard to make this box. And for the lamp, wait a second. For the lamp, I'm using the same like as my last project, so I already put the link on the description so you can check it. And before you install the lamp inside of the body, you have to make small holes all over the body surface and also the tails. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you next time.